So this is why Kolli Hills is dangerous. The wall will be very short and you have to be super careful. Oh my god. Bro, చూసావా కట్టది? అందరికీ నమస్కారం, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు another vlog. Hope everyone is doing great, good and safe too. If you are newer on this channel, my name is Rupesh Minchla. I do travel vlogs. So this is episode 3 of winter series. I am going to a place called Kolli Hills, which is 120 kilometers from here and it takes 3 hours of time. So today I am going to explore few beautiful spots on my way to Kolli Hills and few places in Kolli Hills. So without wasting any time, let's head outside, let's start our engines and roll. No need lube. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. So all set. Next stop will be Hairpin Bends. While going, he is very nice. He is asking about the journey and all. Oh, I feel like having coffee, but I have no time. Maybe some other place. So see you Aircard. Had a wonderful time. We'll come back soon, hopefully. And Salem is 30 kilometers from here, and we have some great viewpoints on this way. Bends started. Pablo will have fun now. Great views, bro. Oh my god. Great views as usual and coffee plantations as usual. Rendu common. Oh wow, this is some mini falls here. Nice. Pablo is fully having fun. Bye. I quickly stopped here. What a view. Still it's foggy out there, and wow, super thick forest. I'm thinking of flying the drone, but it's still foggy. I don't think drone can capture all those hills or not. We'll see. And Pablo having fun in these hairpin curves. Apart from the road, you have to be very careful with these private travels buses. You won't see much in Andhra Pradesh, but you will see more in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. That is a good Putti waterfalls. Oh god, he's driving like crazy, dude. Arey, brake ra babu. So I quickly stopped here to get some pictures for my Instagram. In case you are not following my Instagram, handle will be somewhere here. Go follow it. Hadavidi guarantee. I'm planning to fly my drone here to get some couple of shots of these plantations. So let's see what we'll get. Have to take this Coimbatore Madurai route. Have to take next left. Once again back at NH44. This is the one that goes to Kanyakumari. So we have to travel in this highway for almost 50 kilometers. Yeah, and this is one of my favorite national highways. We'll connect a lot of beautiful places. So I quickly stopped here for coconut water break. Climate became super humid, so yeah, this is much needed. Feeling much better. Yeah. Oh, now I'm able to see some hills. I don't know whether you can see it or not. Kolli Hills is really famous for its 70 hairpin bends, which is also dangerous. So I had to come here while I was doing Kanyakumari ride, but I got sudden work and I went back. Finally it's happening now, and you can see a lot of coconut farms, coconut trees all over. And yeah, let's step into Eastern Ghats once again. Even Ekad comes under Eastern Ghats. So pretty excited for the Kolli Hills hairpin bends. Let's go. For the view. Check this out. Ooh. Oh my god, check this out. Crazy view. So I quickly stopped here in the random viewpoint, and views are insane. As you can see, I'm really tempted to fly my drone here, so check out the drone footage. అరే అరే బాబాయ్ 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 ఆగు బాబాయ్ ఇచ్చేసాడు బాబాయ్. 14 kilometers more, and this is 61 out of 70 hairpin. Sun is bright, but it's not working out. It is getting very chilly. Kolli Hills will be the ghats that I had lots of fun. There are actually 70 hairpin bends, really dangerous. So I had fun, Pablo had fun, I had fun. So far so good. Nice little stream. It became really late because of this ghats, but no issue, had fun. Tomorrow I'm going to Pondicherry. I wanted to explore at least one beach in this winter ride, so I'm going to my favorite place. So yeah, that's the plan, and I think we made it to Kolli Hills. So after 70 hairpin bends, I made it to this place. So it's getting late, let's go catch the sunset. So this is the viewpoint. Oh wow, and sunset is happening right there, and this is the view. Yeah, we managed. Yeah. I found myself a nice spot here to watch sunset. Check out the view, and my time lapse is running here. I think I'm gonna end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this travel vlog. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more videos. Tomorrow I'm going to Pondicherry, so stay tuned for that vlog. Until then, stay blessed. Peace.